everyone, welcome to the all new episode of Jovial Stars. Today we'll be preparing aloo tikki. It's really tasty and crispy. Kids will surely love it. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's start the video. You would need 2 carrots grated, 4 to 5 beans cut into small, 1 big onion and 3 to 4 green chilies cut into small pieces. 3 to 4 boiled potatoes smashed properly. For masalas, you will need red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, salt and pepper powder. You would also need some rice flour which makes your aloo tikki crispy, and as well as oil. Heat the pan and pour some oil. Let the oil be hot enough, you can add the chopped onions to it. Let the onion be half cooked, then we'll be adding the rest of the vegetables to it. So stir it properly till it's half cooked. Don't overcook it. Now you can add the chopped vegetables one by one. We have to add the green chilies, the chopped beans. Remember that beans has to be sauteed first because the raw smell has to go, otherwise the taste won't be as good as we are planning. Make sure you put the carrots at the last and we can cook for 5 minutes. See, it's cooked. Now we can add the masalas one by one. Add pepper powder, green chili powder, it depends upon the way you like it. Add the coriander powder, garam masala powder and the salt, depends upon your taste. Make sure you cook it properly. The masala should mix with the mixture of vegetables that you have made. Remember to subscribe and press the bell icon there. Don't forget. So cook it for 5 minutes. You can see you will get this type of mixture. This means it's really cooked. Your vegetables have been cooked. Now add the smashed potatoes into this mixture. Surely guys, your kids will really love it. Please try this at home. Now we'll be adding the rice flour to it. It makes your aloo tikki much more crispier, believe me. Now you can mix the whole mixture together. You should be very fast in mixing. Put the gas into low sim and then try to mix it, otherwise your vegetables will be overcooked. Yeah, this is the mixture that we'll be getting after a complete 5 minutes. Now your aloo tikki mixture is ready. Keep it aside for 5 minutes, let it get cool, and then you can take a handful of mixture, keep it round shape and then give it a form of tikki. Just see the process that I am doing. Make sure you follow the instructions properly. Now heat the pan and pour some oil to it. Now put the tikki one by one into the oil. Make sure your tikkis are evenly shaped, otherwise it can catch much of oil to it. So to avoid it, make sure it's perfect. It hardly takes 2 minutes to get cooked. See, you can see one side has been cooked. Now we can turn it upside down so that the other part gets cooked. Believe me, it's really tasty and it's really crispy. Kids will really love it. It's a best tea time snack. You can also use this tikki to make burger. Kids will surely love it. Now you can see your aloo tikki is ready. It's a perfect North Indian dish and you can make it with the simple ingredients that you're having at home. Please like and subscribe my channel Jovial Stars. Till then, bye.